Hello guys, Fire 35 here. On Black Friday, many people buy makeup, shoes, headphones, gaming keyboards, whereas I bought a toy that I have been on for several months. The price of such an item used to be $12.50 before tax. On Black Friday, it was only $10.50. What you may wonder, oh, what are you talking about? I bought a firearm. Let you guys see this clearly. A Bushmaster AR15 A2. If I remember it right, the official name of such a gun is called Bushmaster XM15 E2S. So film me an open up video for you guys. Let me open it up. I just took it back from the post office because I bought this online from Ontario, Canada, and it was pain in the ass because the cardboard was a little bit long and a little bit heavy for me. So yeah, let's open it up. It may take a while. I need to slice here or here. Let me see. Oh, I have to slice it here first. And the last one. Okay. Ooh. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, now it's the mandatory check for all firearms, all new firearms. In Canada, the firearm owner have to pass the test in order to get the firearm license. So basically in this test we do a very vital behavior or the action called acts and proof. ACTS PROVE. What these letters say they are: A means assume all firearms as loaded. So it's basically set your attitude towards all new firearms or all firearms without your control in the first place. Move on to C. Control the muzzle direction at all time. So I have to control the muzzle direction to the safest place. This side is the wall. Let me show you. It's the wall. And there is no tenant behind the wall. Okay, move on to T. Trigger finger off the trigger. So both of my hands are off the trigger. S. Safety check and prove it. P. Point the gun at the safest direction. Again, control the muzzle action. R. Remove all cartridges. So no magazine. And there's this. I don't know how to operate this actually. I don't know. Then is observe. R is remove all cartridges. Observe the chamber. So the chamber is this yellow piece. I don't even know how to remove this. Let me figure out. So let's observe. So you can see the light from the bottom, right? So that means no cartridge in the chamber. Then PROVE O or PROVE V, verify the fitting path. So this one has a detachable magazine, which means the fitting path is the magazine and the chamber. So we have just observed it as well. Then the last one, called E, examine the bore. What this means is this. So you basically put, there are several methods, but my instructors gave me this method as the best one. So you buy or whatever a clean rod which is long enough. Then also control the muzzle direction. I'm not sure whether you guys can see this clearly. Basically, as long as the clean rod is able to go to the to touch the bolt, that means the bore has no cartridge whatsoever. So we have finished the acts and proof. Now the gun is proven safe. Let me remove the rod. Let me put it somewhere else, maybe on my chair. Now let's check what are in the box. What else are in the box? So this pack, let's see what are inside. A detachable magazine, service manual, a wire lock. In Canada, any civilian-owned AR-15 are restricted level. So, which means you have to store this, wire lock it, and then put in a locked suitcase. And Bushmaster, I don't know what's called in this English, a tag. So you can stick it on my cap. Let's check else. No more. So that's basically it. So this is my AR-15, my first AR-15 in my life. Hey, let me remove the bag of the magazine. By the way, in case you guys don't know, in Canada, all center fire rifles magazine mustn't exceed 5 rounds capacity. So so let me repeat this sentence again to emphasize the point. All legal magazines of center fire rifle, semi-automatic center fire rifles, mustn't exceed 5 rounds capacity. I'm not sure whether I explained this well, because English is not my first language. Oh, this room is pretty limited. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you. Bye bye.